back to a random video. So today I will be unboxing the Ticwatch E, and this is the black color. It's the Ticwatch E Shadow, and as you can see up here, the Ticwatch E, and it runs on Android Wear. So you can see there's a nice design all over. And on the top, of course, we have this nice design, and it's boasting a Good Design Award 2016. So there's two tape, one in front and one tape in the back. I'm going to go ahead and cut those off. Now I can go ahead and open it. And I have this beautiful watch inside. It kind of opens like so. Silica gel. A instruction manual. And of course, the charging cord. So I finally got the watch out. You can see it looks very nice. There's the screen. There's the back. There's about how thick it is. I mean, the bezel is not insanely big, but, or thick. Yeah, I think it's a pretty nice watch. Stay tuned for the setup and review videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.